Hey guys, it's Sandy, and today Minnie and I are super excited to partner up with DragonVale to bring you a special nail design inspired by their mobile game. We're going to be showing you how to paint a dragon on your nails and how to DIY your very own nail art gems at home, which is a really popular trend in Korea right now.
Hi, it's Minnie! Before we start, please subscribe to CutePolish for new videos every week. I'm going to start by making 3D gemstones using this silicone mold. I'm gonna place 3 drips of gel top coat, a very small amount of sparkly nail polish, and a few pieces of hollow flakes. Mix well and then cure under a UV light until it sets completely. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna introduce you to this awesome mobile game, DragonVale. DragonVale allows you to build your own dragon park where you can hatch and raise super cute baby dragons. You can name them and feed them to grow up. And once they're big enough, they can breed to make new dragons. I've been playing this game for about a month and these are my favorites so far. I really love this fluffy guy and this awesome rainbow dragon that breathes out rainbow sparkles. This guy looks really cool, and a cute zombie one which walks just like me. Let's go back to the gems. Now they are all set and I can easily pop them out of the mold. I'm gonna use them a little bit later, but first I'm gonna prepare my nails. Start with a base coat to protect my natural nails. On my middle finger, I'm going to apply white polish. Next, I'm going to apply blue glitter polish on my pinky, ring and index. To create a snowflake design inspired by a dragon egg, I'm going to try stamping. Apply a stamping polish over the design, scrape off the excess polish, and pick up the design with a stamper. Transfer onto the nail by rolling the stamper. I'm gonna add more snowflakes in the same way. You can remove the excess using a strip of sticky tape. The snowflake design is complete. Next, I'm going to create a star design using a stencil. Remove the stars by sticking them onto a sandwich bag. I'll be using a stamping polish to fill the stars. You can use a regular polish instead, but you may need to apply a little bit more to get the same opacity. Add some dots to complete. Next, I'll be creating a lightning design using sticky tape. Apply a blue stamping polish using a piece of makeup sponge. For my thumb, I'm going to draw a baby dragon. This is going to be the background. Apply top coat to smooth out the surface. Paint the body of the dragon. Draw the wing with a dotting tool. Draw the details with acrylic paint. Apply top coat to seal the design. Now I'm going to create an eggshell design using a zigzag nail guide. Apply white polish. Then remove the guide. Repeat the same step on the top to complete. coming back to my middle finger, I'm applying a shimmer polish to add some sparkles. I'm going to apply a top coat and place the gemstone. Hold it for a few seconds until it sticks. Paint some flames using the same polish that I used for the gem. Apply top coat to seal the design and add a beautiful shine. I am so happy to have a design that matches this awesome game. Right now on DragonVale, the summer event is on, and during this time you will receive giveaways every day, and of course these eggs are a great inspiration for nail art. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to watch more awesome nail art tutorials, click the info card button on the top. Thank you for watching!